Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about the kind of the Epson 1006 and stuff like that, and why I spec it into jobs that are that are kind of high end and things like that. And I gotta tell you, at the end of the day, hopefully it'll go to another scene here, but at the end of the day, I mean, there's one thing. I mean, I got sunlight coming in here. It looks good all day long. I mean, it's not nighttime, as you can see. As I get over here, it's the brightness wins, right? So, I mean, at the end of the day, I can get as close to this as you want. Motion is phenomenal, first of all, on an Epson. I mean, this is just straight up me standing here watching YouTube. If I put in a Sony or a JVC, it's not better, it is the problem. So, it's when you people are like, people that come in here, they want their projector to look like a television. I mean, and this is how you get it. I mean, at the end of the day, you can do this on a Slate or a Black Diamond, but I know that all the specs show otherwise. But to the human eye, that people will pick this all day long, and it's big and things like that. But I got 8 can lights on. I got lights right there aiming at it. And I mean, this thing's just freaking phenomenal. I mean, it's just one of those things that that people overlook. Yes, it's a commercial projector. Yes, it's only 1080p, but I'm telling you, that picture does not look any different than the Sonys and the JVCs that I've installed. It really, really does look very similar. I can get super close to it. It's super high res, great motion. I mean, it's just killer. It's just an absolute killer picture. The only reason I don't have it in my theater is because it doesn't fit in the hole. I just love the thing to death, man. Epson 1006, great projector. I sell the hell out of it. I'm speccing it into a huge job that I have coming up over some of the other big players, because it's on a 160, 170. This projector just screams luxury, and it's super bright, great high contrast, especially on a good screen. It's my go-to. Leave some comments about how much you hate it. See ya.